truck is frozen. -2 Fahrenheit, which is like -19 Celsius. Hades. I didn't really want to do a video on this place. Sometimes I just like to have a personal life, but might as well. I've had a lot of fun here. Here's the suite I was, I guess mini suite or whatever, I was upgraded to because my other room flooded. The room didn't flood. An area there flooded. Don't have an HDMI cable, so the big TV doesn't matter. But the area was flooded. They kicked me out like all day, and then they comped me this room. The other room wasn't that bad either. Non-smoking casino, so this is the smoking area. Yeah. Frozen solid. Won't start. Look at that. All my drinks are frozen. In Yakima, Washington, they took away my truck because it had a lot of other issues and I need to get worked on, so they got me a rental car. That was yesterday. I stayed in Hermiston the night before last at the Comfort Inn. Last night I stayed here in Yakima at Comfort Suites. And then there was a storm and they closed Snoqualmie Pass, so I'm here now. I checked out. I'll probably hang out in the lobby all day and either get a room again or travel farther. My next truck is in Tacoma area, Washington, you know, like Seattle area. Stuck in traffic over an hour. I guess there's an accident up ahead. Still in the rental car. They're having me drive back to Hermiston to get my old truck that they made me clear everything out of yesterday because I couldn't get over Snoqualmie Pass in Washington on the 90 there. So yeah, everything I've done this whole last day is just kind of a waste of time and a waste of company money. Oh, but what can you do? Well, I guess my truck should be ready tomorrow. But I have to take all my stuff and put it back in. The trunk is full of my stuff. I guess the truck is a problem. Shit's freezing on the windshield before it could even be wiped off. You know, the road is complete black ice. Okay, back in my truck. You can tell it's warmed up quite a bit. Back in my truck after about 8 days of not driving the truck. I should get paid for this. Let's see. So basically they had me off the road for 8 days. My truck froze and the surrounding roads were so frozen. I stayed at the casino for a few days, 3 nights, but also I stayed in my truck two nights before those 3 nights. Then I stayed in another hotel And then I went to Washington and I stayed in another hotel, and then I turned around and went back and stayed in the hotel. It was like 8 nights, and I didn't drive the whole time, and I did get paid for it, so that's cool. My company does that, so it's awesome. They have pay protection. Maybe I'll talk about my company more in a later video. But anyhow, that was quite a frozen week. Quite a frozen more than a week. And to clear out your truck, man, that takes a couple hours. It's like moving apartments, kind of. You got shit everywhere. You get it all. They made me clear out my truck and then turn around and go right back to my same truck and move back in. Now, whatever, I got paid for it.